What's up, guys? Alright, so I'm travelling on the way up to Mount Augusta at the moment, which is the biggest rock in Australia. A lot of people think it's Uluru, but no, it's Mount Augusta, and it's in northwest WA, a bit of the Pilbara. It's kind of like that, kind of near there, I think. I don't know. But basically, I've done a lot of travelling, a lot of camping in my life, and every time I go out, I see literal human shit everywhere, and toilet paper in the trees, and people think the toilet paper breaks down, but it does not break down that quickly. And basically, sorry, there's a barbed wire fence here, I'm just figuring out what I want to do. I'm gonna go under it. Yeet. Oh, there's one on the floor as well. So basically, human shit is really bad for the animals because of all the shit we eat. And basically, I'm going to tell you right now how to poop in Australia. So, been walking for a bit away from the campsite, away from the waterway, because that's actually the Gascoyne River there, which goes from here all the way to Shark Bay, if you've heard of Shark Bay. Yeah, so I think this is a nice little cozy spot right here. Whoa. So basically, what you need to poop in the bush is basically what you need: a shovel, a little bag, you need some toilet paper, we have another little shovel in here, and you need matches. Now this is really, really important. Probably one of the most important parts. And because you're going to be burning it, you're going to need a clearing area, and obviously if it's summer in a fire with a fire ban, you do not want to light it, and in that case you just want to make sure you dig your hole a bit deeper. But in any case, you need to dig a hole, and the deeper the better, because basically this region is really rocky. Yesterday when we stopped for lunch, we could only dig about this deep, and it's not very deep at all, just because of the rocks, but you just got to do the best you can in the area that you're given. And if you go, if you're in a rocky region, you can go closer to trees and it'll be less rocky because the tree roots are growing in there, so obviously they need room. Alright, so finished digging my hole. I'll show you that hole quickly. This is it. It could probably be a little deeper, but just because of the region and the rocks, it's not going to happen, and also because I can burn it. It's all good.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so after you leave your parcel, after your parcel is delivered, oh, there's 3 matches left. Uh-oh. I've used more toilet paper than I usually would, obviously, because I don't think you're allowed to show feces on YouTube. But yeah, just get your match, light the puppy up. Should burn pretty easily, and then while that's burning, as that's burning, you just want to grab, you let it burn for a little bit. Once it's mostly done, you just want to start grabbing the dirt you dug out before and placing it on top. give it a stamp. Look at that. You would never know. Alright, I really hope people actually start doing this, especially where I've been traveling, because seeing toilet paper and shit like in the trees does not make me feel good when I'm out camping. So yeah, and you can do that anywhere, as long as you're not interfering with people's camps or a waterway or whatever, because animals. Yeah, the reason we do that is the human shit is really bad for the animals and the wildlife. I think I already said that, but oh well. Well, yeah, I'm gonna head back to camp. And thanks for watching. If you did, I hope you might have learned something or whatever. But yeah, peace out.